In this video, we are going to understand the date and time module and the calendar module, which is an inbuilt module in the Python. So first part is import calendar, and we can do a lot of operations with calendar. So you might be wondering, sir, why to study the calendar module or why to study the date and time module? Suppose you want to print something in a real time, like you are designing software which is going to print tickets. Okay, so tickets require a time and a date for on that. So you can use a calendar module and a date and time module to do that process. So the first part we are going to display the month August of 2019. You can see it is starting from Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it is starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 means this is the first day is on Thursday. Okay, you can check out the calendar of 2019. It is looking very weird. So we have a method to do this in a beautiful way. So that is basically called as a text calendar, which is a method written inside basically the calendar. So when you do this, when you call the text calendar, and when you pass with 1 year and 2018 as a year inside that format, you can see a beautiful calendar is coming up. So this is looking very weird, but you can use a method called as a text calendar, which is inside the calendar module itself to display a very beautiful calendar like this. You can even check out whether it is a leap year or not, any particular year. So 2019 was not leap year, and 2016 was a leap year. Great. Okay. So now we can say, okay, we have understood that calendar module. The first part is we need to import always calendar, otherwise it is not going to work. Now we will try to understand that how many leap days are between these 2 years. You can see. Okay, one thing which I want to tell you that the upper value will be always n minus 1. So this is 2022, but it is going to count as 2021 only. You can check out any leap year between 2001 and 3. The answer is no. Now we will try to understand the time module. Okay, so import time. So when I press time.sleep, the system will be busy for 10 seconds. So this is a one kind of basically providing a delay. So when you write a sleep, your system will do busy doing nothing. Okay, so that means to provide a delay, we use a sleep method. In this, the system is doing nothing. This is called as a NOP also. NOP means no operation. NOP. So now when I do a time.time, you are going to get a very weird answer. So this answer is not actually understood by us. So what we can do, we can just pass this time.time into the local time. So when you do that process, you're going to get a very great answer. And this answer says something to you. This year is 2020. The month is October. The day is 14. The hour is 2. This is going to say a GMT time. 46 second. It is the second weekday. That means Monday is considered to be 0. Tuesday is 1. So this is a Wednesday. Okay, 288 day of the year. Okay, great. And when you don't want this much detail, you can just write down time dot ask type function. This is going to give you a very short answer which is required. So this can be printed on a ticket. If you're printing a ticket, then you can use that. Now we have date and time module also. So we can check out for today's date. What is today's date is okay, 14 October 2020. You can convert the time in form of this also, hours, time, and second, and even a millisecond also. Okay, and you can check out the time right now, like what you can check with a date. Similarly, you can check out the time also. So this is going to tell you the date first and then the time. Okay, this is hours, minute, and seconds. Okay, so date time calendar module. very clear, crystal clear method, and this can be used to take the system time or a GMT time in particular